Meta's social VR platform Horizon hits 300,000 users. It's a 10% increase in about 3 months. But can the growth continue? I don't know. You tell me, Will. You've been inside there.
I've played around in that space.
Go ahead. What have you discovered so far?
Really, Will? You played around in this already?
I did, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's interesting. It's unique. Nothing bad or
this
good.
Is a strange report. It's a strange report. What kind of stuff are you? What kind of stuff are you doing in there?
So you kind of go into a tutorial on how to figure out how to navigate in like this space, and then you go to different places, like different worlds. There's like a game world, and then there's like a building your own map kind of world. Okay. And there's probably other worlds like the work.
Are you talking about Minecraft right now?
Pretty much. Yeah. And I've played around with the gaming one and playing like shooters and like, you know.
It looks like, are those people there? They're dancing in a club?
It's exactly what you imagine it would be. It looks like this, essentially.
Yeah. Did you spend a lot of time on your avatar?
No.
You just like went with something stock?
There was a lot of customization though.
Well, that's why I'm asking.
Mm-hmm.
I remember I used to play games, and I would play like a sports game, and I had to make my character. Spend way too much time on that.
I remember going in the first time in this Horizon Worlds, there was a lot of bullying.
Oh yeah, you were telling me that.
Yeah. A lot of people were like making fun of each other, and kind of stealing each other's like things. There's like a ball pit, and people kept stealing other people's balls right from their hands.
Mm-hmm.
So it was really strange to kind of notice. And yeah, it's weird. It's weird. It's a different experience.
He said that since Horizon Worlds has rolled out to all Quest users in the US and Canada in early December, its monthly user base has grown by a factor of 10x to 300,000 people, according to an employee who heard the remark. Meta spokesperson Joe Osborne confirmed the stat and said it included users of Horizon Worlds and Horizon Venues, a separate app for attending live events in VR that uses the same avatars and basic mechanics. The number doesn't include Horizon Workrooms, however, a VR conferencing experience that relies on an invite system. Wow. So I'm going to be going to concerts. I'm going to be working. I'm going to be playing games. I'm going to be in Zuckerberg's world.
That's the potential.
Right. So you have no legs? Is that the thing? You're floating.
You are floating.
You have arms and a head. I wonder why that is.
I think it's hard to animate the legs.
Wow.
You're moving around.
Okay.
It is strange to
So would you recommend this? Are you telling the people to get in here? Or
if you have a Quest, you could try it out.
But you're not telling people to get a Quest?
No, not for this.
Not yet.
Not yet, no.
Okay. All right. Well, that's useful information right there.
Yeah.